Hello and welcome back. So I don't know where we finished off yesterday, but I don't think it was very far. But this is where we're at now. So we're getting there. So it's probably not going to be done for tomorrow. I had to pop out unfortunately, but it's getting there. That it'll be fine. So we've got. Yeah, so I guess we drew like this last time, so just this symbol. Then we've got all the Widowmakers here with all the names. So Widow for Life, X Sniper X, Katie King, Payload Phobia, and Jeff K. Yeah. So yeah, it's getting there. So we're gonna finish off this panel, and then it's kind of just like refining it. So this isn't quite finished. This one's not done. But yeah, we're getting there. So let's go ahead. I was working on this, I believe. Not sure what this layer is. Oh, is that the... What are you? Cancel. Yeah. Oh yeah, cool. Seal that. So that's just glow. So we're gonna put in a new layer, and we're just gonna draw like... everything on the desk. So I'm gonna free draw the monitor screens in, not that badly, just so that they look sort of a bit more natural. I'm gonna hide the desk for a moment. So yeah, it's been good to do some drawing again on the computer, because I haven't done it in a while. And I think anyway, like there's still a lot to improve, but I think my drawing's getting better, which is good. So let's just... Oh, whoops, wrong layer. Let's get a desk. Yeah. Just erase. Desk there. I guess we'll make it a bit thinner just so that it doesn't look a bit weird there. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so that is monitors. Screens. And we go. I guess keyboard, keys, mouse, and Wacom. So I guess I mean, like, as I said, there's probably a lot of technical differences in how I draw and what I draw, as opposed to like someone who does it a lot. But I think so far it's looking good. I mean, really, we're just doing we're really just doing some basic, like the drawing's not complicated, which is good. Okay, so we'll go back to screens and we'll just erase where it is on my head. And then we'll go to desk and we'll erase that from the back of the chair. Like that. And here. It's a good thing about doing things in layers, you can just erase exactly what you want and you don't have to worry about being super accurate. There we go. Now it looks like I'm actually sitting at a desk. So let's just turn that blue layer off as well, which is down here. So it would be me. And it would be desk. Perfect. Alright, so I still need legs. I still need some work on the arm. But that panel's done too. Yeah. So that's the basic comic. So I think there's some sizing issues. So I'm going to bring all of this. I'm gonna bring this down. So we can probably do that now. Okay. So that would be. So I'm gonna move this and this up to there. And then we'll go this. There's big window. Oh no, we don't want that. So big window we'll put down. That can go there. Times play. Me this. These are, yep, cool, awesome. So we go from here. And we'll just make sure we get that glow layer as well. Where did so that there. Okay, so from glow to there. And that should be all of that. Perfect. Awesome. And we'll just move it up a little bit. Cool. So we'll get this layer too, and we'll just move this for the moment down. Cool. Alright, that looks better. Actually, what we'll do is we'll take that and we'll move that down to the bottom of Widow's head. And then I think that's just one layer that's me. So that would be up here. So that would be head holding. Okay. We'll make that a bit bigger. Move that down. Cool. There we go. That's a better frame of like comic. We might move all of it down just so that this has a bit more space as well, and then that would be it. But yeah, look, I'll leave it there. So hopefully you've had a good Thursday, and I will talk to you again, and we'll probably finish off this. probably do the colors. Alright, cheers guys.